Be careful.
Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on this farm he had a cow, E-I-E-I-O. With a moo here and a moo there, here a moo, there a moo, everywhere a moo. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.
Baka kung ano na naman you want this. Tapos, pag yan lang. Oh.
Kano ito? Kano yan?
How much? There's no fries. Oh, no.
We need a different one that doesn't cost so much. Now,
How about this? Oh.
how about that?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ang ano niya. 6 ang laman niya. Oh. Ikot ka muna.
What do I want here?
Huwag na dyan. Wala dyan. Dito.
What do I want here? Oh yeah, I forgot about this one. How much this cost?
It's too expensive. You can afford. How about that?
I want this one. I want that one. This one.
Bitaw. Bitaw. Yeah. Huwag na. Don't touch it. Dito, hanap ka.
Ay, si ano kaya? Oy, ma.
What do I want here?
Ano lang kaya cosplay ko? Talaga. Ay, bilang ko pala sa inyo.
Dito tayo. Remote. May remote. Ito, Roblox. Ito, Roblox. Oh.
Behind it. How much does it cost?
50.
50?
We can afford.
So bad.
What do you like color?
How much this cost?
55. You like that?
Too expensive.
No, it's okay. You can afford it.
How much is just money?
We have 100.
100?
Yeah.
100 what?
100.
How much? How much this cost?
Do you like this?
I want this one.
Okay.
Because you have 100. Because you have 100.
Yeah, 100. Another one.
Another
This one also, yeah.